Join me as I dive into the world of Bbai stock and see if I can figure out if it's really gonna make us rich by 2025. Bbai stock has been on the radar for many investors, and with the new year coming up, everyone's wondering if it's going to be a game changer. This year has been quite a ride for Bbai, with its stock price experiencing some significant fluctuations. What really matters is how the company performs and if it can keep up with the market's expectations. Investing in stocks always comes with its fair share of uncertainties, and Bbai is no exception. Market trends can shift rapidly, and company performance can be a major swing factor. One day it's up, the next it's down. That's the nature of the stock market. For Bbai, the question is whether it can overcome its challenges and show consistent growth. The company's financial health and its position in the industry are crucial. If Bbai can demonstrate strong revenue growth and adapt to changes in the market, it might just have what it takes to succeed. On the flip side, any signs of weakness could lead to a decline in investor confidence. Industry developments play a huge role in how Bbai stock performs. Any advancements or setbacks in the tech sector, for instance, could directly impact the company's prospects. Keeping an eye on these trends and understanding how they affect Bbai is key to making informed investment decisions. Expert predictions and financial reports are also essential pieces of the puzzle. Analyst forecasts can provide valuable insights into the company's future performance. A positive outlook from experts could boost investor confidence, while a negative one might lead to sell-offs. So, what could make Bbai stock a rich maker in 2025? For starters, if the company delivers strong financial results and shows a clear strategy for growth, investors might see it as a lucrative opportunity. Additionally, any breakthroughs in its industry could further enhance its prospects. On the other hand, failure to meet market expectations or internal mismanagement could spell disaster. It's a delicate balance, and investors need to weigh these factors carefully. The stock's performance will ultimately depend on how well Bbai navigates these challenges. Analyzing Bai's past performance and comparing it with industry benchmarks can provide some clues. A track record of success could indicate a potential for future growth. Conversely, consistent underperformance might be a red flag. To make an informed decision, it's also important to consider expert opinions and market analysis. This can help investors get a more comprehensive view of Bai's prospects and make a more educated guess about its potential to make them rich in 2025. In wrapping up, the potential for Bbai stock to make investors rich in 2025 hinges on a variety of factors, from company performance to market trends. It's clear that there are challenges ahead, but there are also opportunities. If you've got thoughts on Bbai stock or other investment opportunities, hit me up in the comments below. Also, check out my other video for more insights on stocks that could be game changers in the near future.